Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. I am here doing a product review, unboxing. I was contacted by a company called AOOU. I think I'm saying it correctly. And it's a jewelry organizer, makeup organizer. So I was really excited when they reached out to me. And so I can't wait to show you what it looks like. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate it. And for those who keep coming back, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. And to watch this jewelry organizer that I received from AOOU. Okay, this is the box it came in. You can see how big this is. So it's going to take me a couple minutes to open it up, and I'll see what other tools, if anything, that I need. Okay, this is a large box, so I'm going to try to see if I can open it by myself. I'm going to try not to get in the way, and I hope that it's not so heavy. It's really heavy. I may have to wait and get some assistance. Okay, I got all the plastic off. I'm going to leave this little bit of plastic that's covering the glass on until after I get it up. But I'm going to open it so you guys can see. And it has some assembly instructions, so I'll have to show you. It shows you the keys, the double-sided tape, some over-the-door wall mount, all these directions here. So I'm going to have to look at this and come back to show you how I do it over the door, because I don't want to mount it to the wall. Guys, you can see how large this is. It has 2 drawers at the bottom. It's pretty deep. Look at that. And then different shelves, they have a little ledge. And then here for hanging items, probably like bracelets or necklaces. And this is the hardware to hang it over the door, and that's what I'm planning to do. And then also, let's see, it has a spot up here where you can put like your rings. And then I'll have to check, see what you can, earrings. That's where you hang all the earrings. And it's really nice. I like it. I will have to come back in a little bit and show you once I get it onto the wall. But this is the full length mirror. If you can see that, you can see my ceiling and everything. But I think this would look nice once I get it put on the wall. So I will be right back. Okay, I got it hung over the door. This was really easy to put together and put up on the door. I had a little bit of trouble since I'm not that big. So I had a little bit lifting it up, but this is my husband's closet door. I might leave it here. I said I was gonna put it on mine, but I better put it on mine, because something might happen if I leave it here. But I'll be back. I'm gonna show you what I plan to put in here and how it looks. Came out nice. Easy to put together. And this is in my bathroom. Okay, I put some of my jewelry in here, but first I have to get on a step stool because I'm short. But I wanted to show you right up here. It was very easy. You just take the top off, and you need 3 AAA batteries, and then it just pushes right back on. And this is how you turn on the light. Now I'm going to step back down my step stool and move it out the way so you can see everything. I'm going to turn the light off for a second so we can see. Yeah, so you can see it has the 6 lights up there, LED, so that way you can see your jewelry. I put a few rings up there and a couple of necklaces there, and just some of my makeup, some of my eyeshadows and lipsticks down here, and just a box. And I put a couple of my bangles there, and in here I just put a hair ornament and 2 pins. And over here I put some of my earrings, and you see they just hook right on. I just put them close. I'm a shorty, so eventually I'll get the rest in there. And this piece is, you just hang your bracelets right on there, and necklaces here too. Got a lot of room for necklaces and other things, but overall I'm going to back up so you can see the full view. I moved my ladder out the way, but yeah, see, it's a big piece, a jewelry armoire, and it does come in white and brown. They sent me the brown ones, so it'll do fine. And I'm going to close the door again. Let's see if I can reach to turn the light off. Okay, let's look up here. Let's see, can I reach? I can feel, there we go. Yeah, so I can reach the light. And so I'm going to close the door. I didn't put the Velcro on the bottom yet because it'll keep it from swaying, and I left the plastic on the glass for right now. But it's kind of weird looking at it like that, but it's nice to have a full-length mirror so I can see myself like all the way. So I'm going to show you once again. I'm going to show you again. Let's look inside. Ooh, see all the room you have over here. All this for earrings. I really like this because I don't wear a lot of my jewelry because I hate digging for it. But this, I will be able to see exactly what I have, and I'll be able to pick it out and put it on. I didn't put all my jewelry in here, just a couple of old pieces, but I wanted to show you some features of this product. And you can hang your necklaces. I don't know, let's see, would they get tangled up if you really filled this up with necklaces? I guess it depends on what type of necklaces you have. And here, I guess you could put anything up here really, but I just put a couple of my palettes up here that I use the most. Some eyeshadows just to see how they fit. And they, standard eyeshadows fit. This one here I put upright. And so you get plenty of space. You could put, you know, lipsticks. I put a couple of lipsticks over here. And down here I put a couple of my concealer type things that I use once in a while. And then these are those Nadine West bracelets that I won in a giveaway. And, you know, you gotta be careful pulling the drawers out because they come all the way out. And if you pull it out too fast, you could pull it out and break whatever you decide to put in it. And I haven't, let's see, it was one other piece on here I was looking at. But I think that's it. I like that it has easy open and close, and the light is nice. Although it only, it's kind of hard to tell because it's still light outside. I'm gonna, if it was dark, I guess you could be able to see your jewelry. So that's it for this unboxing of the AOOU jewelry armoire, and I will see you on the next video. But I'm going to link down below the information on this product. You can get it for 50% off. There's the link for the white one and a link for the brown one. They normally retail for $119. You could get it for about $60. So I think it's a good buy for $60 if you need a jewelry armoire. So I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.